Popin Media.
Nawasa, Ruth Kawas 108, Nama Elizabeth 70. Kaolo Polis, Ruth Kawas 18, Nama Elizabeth 21. Navunduka, Nama Elizabeth 36, Ruth Kawas 114. Ruth Kawas 12, Nama Elizabeth 7. Kashibaba Zaramolo Nadi Nama Elizabeth 06 of primaries for the position of LC5 Human District Council Kayonga District Local Council. Hereby declare the results as follows. Nama Elizabeth 5,077 votes, making a total of 54.9%. Ruth Zaramolo Kabasi 4,154, making a total of 45%. Total number of voters present at all polling stations 9,231, making a total of 100%. I therefore declare Nama Elizabeth, who has won the highest number of votes, 5,077, representing 54.9%, as the newly elected flag bearer for Kayonza Sub-County District Council, Kayonga District Local Council 2025. Signed today, 25th. Congratulations, Elizabeth.